So I'm just finally chopping up my cherries so that I don't have any big pieces in my jam. Mine's frozen. It would have been way easier if I let them de-thaw, but don't really have all that much time for that. It's the same thing with fresh cherries. And you need 4 cups. Alright, so I've added my cherries to my pot, and I'm going to add my pectin to them. And I also have my 4.5 cups of sugar ready. And I'm just using Sure-Jell Pectin. And you want these to get to a full rolling boil while stirring before you add your sugar to them. Okay, so now they're at a rolling boil continuously while stirring. So you're good to add your 4 3/4 cups of sugar. And then with this, once you get it back to a rolling boil, you want it to go for a minute. And then ladle it immediately into your warm jars, which I've had mine sterilizing for at least 10 minutes. I'm going to make sure all that sugar is mixed in so you don't have any clumps. And stir it almost constantly so that you don't have any sugar stick to the bottom and burn. Okay, it's been a minute. I'm going to take it off and ladle it into our jars. So now we're going to ladle them into our jars. You want to do this kind of quickly. You're filling up to 1/4 inch to the rim. And you want to wipe your rim down so you don't have any excess food sticking to it. I'm going to do these fingertip tight. Then put them right back in. Once they start boiling, you can set a timer for 10 minutes. You want to wait till they start boiling until you set a timer so that they're in there for the same amount of time, or so that they boil for the same amount of time. Alright, so I have mine all out. You've probably already heard some of them popping already, which is pretty cool to see. I'm going to let them sit overnight without touching them, and then I'm going to check the seals and then let them sit for a day or two before opening to try them. Okay, once you've waited 24 hours, you can check to see if your jars have sealed and if your jam has set. To do that, you just take the ring off the jar and then lightly kind of pull or hold the jar, and your seal should not come off, or your lid should not come off. And you can also do the push test. You don't have that popping and the lid is fully pushed down and sealed. And to see if it's set without opening it, you kind of just tilt it back and forth. It's not runny, so you know it's set up nicely. I'm really happy with how this jam turned out. It's set up really nicely and it has a great red color to it. You can use jam in lots of different ways and in lots of different dishes. I mainly use them in desserts or on toast or crackers. Let me know if you guys have any different ways that you use jam down in the comments below, and I hope you guys enjoyed.